Welcome back. Today we're going to review the Soundbar IP-08, which is a 2.0 channel multimedia speaker system, which is great for your desk, your home, basically anywhere that you enjoy excellent sound quality. Okay, for your audiophiles, now we get to some technical specs on our Soundbar IP-08, which is a 2.0 channel multimedia speaker system weighing in around half a pound, 4 ohm capable, with a battery pack on board at 3.7 volts. You're going to have a power supply to USB to charge the device. Output power, you're getting 5 watts times 2. Frequencies 100 hertz to 18 kilohertz, which is very good. Dimensions, as you can see, we're looking at about maybe 3-4 inches in width, 18 inches in length, so it'll fit on a desktop shelf, anywhere like that. You have an input for an aux cord, a standard 3.5 millimeter aux cord, and once again ideal for your PC speaker system or any kind of audio device, because it is Bluetooth capable, so you can wireless all of your electronic devices to the soundbar and jam out. Okay, so we've taken the soundbar out of the packaging. So you can see it's very sleek, very nice looking, very contemporary. It is going to come neatly packaged in a plastic tray, which prevents it from getting damaged. On the left, you have the aux cord, and then on the right, you'll have a USB cord, which you'll be able to plug in for charging. All of these ports are located on the back right-hand side of the device, which will allow you to insert that aux cord and or your USB for charging. I have a helper here today, which would be the soundbar box. Thank you so much, Mr. Box. So the box is going to help me elevate the soundbar that way that I can show you the functions of how to turn it off and on. So we have a very large knob on the left-hand side. When turned clockwise, we'll activate the device. You'll see the blue light come on. That means you have power. And now it is, you see it blinking. It's looking for a device. And once it stops blinking, and you've paired it with your phone, then you're good to go. Okay, so we see our soundbar is blinking blue. That's our indicator. It is looking for a pairing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it paired with this phone, and let's see how this thing sounds.
You give, you more, receive, you less.
Okay, so now we're focusing on the back of the soundbar, and we're going to talk about the functionality of the soundbar. So once again, if you want to turn on the device with the volume, here's your knob, and then you have your buttons here from the left to right. We have our fast forward, our rewind, or forward, back, as well as pause and play. You have a jack for the aux cord, as well as the USB. And then if you have a TF card, you're able to insert the TF card right here. Overall, I think it's an excellent purchase. A great sound, small package, easy to handle, store. You could spend a lot more, but why when this one really does the job? Hope you enjoyed.